Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with another video. And in this video we are going to talk about how you can automate your marketing agency in less than 1 month. So me and Bhavesh have personally done this ourselves, and now our agency is making about $30,000 to $50,000 every single month with automations and with process that we have set up, SOPs that we have built out through our agency, that our team is following from outreach to delivery. So we'll be talking how you can do the same for your own agency, how you can do the same for your own marketing agency and reach that goal in less than 1 month. Now, please notice that it's going to take you more than 1 month to get more clients, to get to that level where you are successful, you are making more than $25,000 to $30,000 a month. But you can do this automation within a month. You can start following these tips and tactics, and you can automate your entire process in less than 1 month, and the time that you'll be saving from that automation, you can use that to scale your agency, to get more clients, to work on strategies, to work on different businesses if you have. So you can actually leverage that time to make more money, right? So first of all, we are going to talk about social media marketing agency. You have to find your niche first, because that's the most important thing that you have to do while starting out. You cannot be just outreaching, sending messages and text to person, sending text messages and emails to everybody. You have to niche down. You have to select a specific niche, and you have to start building your persona based on that niche. You have to be expert in that niche. You have to know about that business. You have to learn about that business. You have to talk to a lot of people in the industry to get an idea, so that when finally you will get on a call with someone, you will get on a prospect, you will know what you're doing, right? So the next thing would be learn how to run ads. If it's a marketing agency that you are striving to build, you should know how to run ads. I don't care if you are beginner, you have never run ads. You should always learn how to run ads if you are building a marketing agency, because you'll have to start running these ads once you onboard a client, because you cannot afford to get a media buyer if you're just starting out, if you are working with, let's say, someone on a commission basis, because in order to build that case study, testimonial, or proof of concept, you need to work with people and you need to offer them your services for free in the beginning, so that you can have a proof of concept, testimonial, videos, reviews and whatnot. So you need to know how to run ads. In case you have an agency which is, let's say, creative agency, so you should know how to design creatives. If you have a video agency, you should know how to edit videos. So it goes for any industry, whatever respective agency you are going to operate, you are going to build, learn the skill, okay? That's the most simple thing that you can do. Buy a course, watch YouTube videos. There are a bunch of materials, there are a bunch of resources you can find on internet to actually learn the skill. Build a SOP, document everything that you are doing from the beginning. Let's say even if it's your first day, okay, so start documenting your journey, because I know I have also done this mistake, and some of my colleagues, some of the people who I have worked with in the beginning, they have also done the same mistake. We were not documenting our journey, and we started documenting our journey, our process, maybe 1 or 2 years ago, right? So this allows us to eliminate all the errors that we are going to do and build a really solid proof of concept. Okay, so let's say you are building an SOP for outreach. So make sure that you are documenting everything, you are documenting the process, you are documenting every single message, because this will allow you to hire a team if you are going to hire that in the future, and that's what we are going to need to automate your entire agency. Okay, so build that SOP, document your journey, and make sure when you hire that team, your team follows that SOP. It's that simple. Building that SOP is going to be paramount. I will show you guys example of some of our SOPs, some of the SOPs that I have personally built, and it can maybe help you guys build your own SOP. Okay, so now let's talk about what is automation. Okay, so automation is basically, as the name suggests, it's automating something. It's, you can say, on autopilot mode. So it does not mean that you don't have to do anything. It does not mean, it means that, okay, you still have to be involved in your business, you still have to actively run it, but you will be having a lot more free time in your hand, and you can use that time, you can leverage that time to build better things, to build more money, to make more money, to build more businesses, to scale your business. You can use it for whatever you want, right? So what is automation? It's basically hiring a team, getting a team, and so what you are personally doing, individually doing, just you are delegating everything to a team, and the team is doing everything for you, right? So that's what basically automation means. So you can say this is an SOP for onboarding, right? So okay, so you can see this is an example of a SOP, media buying SOP. That's what I call basically how to run ads for your client. So in this one, it's not just media buying SOP, it's from the beginning, after you onboarded your client. So onboarding is going to the first interaction between the client and the entire team. Introduction of each team member and their role will be done here. So when you are on a call with your client, make sure that you introduce everything. You introduce a team and all their roles, because the team will be doing the communication, launching the ads and things like that. Okay, so make sure the team and your client are aware of each other. Creation of a Slack channel or any communication channel for communication with your client. Taking client's Facebook Business Manager account access, assigning it to the account manager, making sure the client fills out the onboarding form. Any question about the targeting language, etc. needs to be clear on the onboarding call itself. Create a G Sheet and make sure Facebook leads did. So I have also created a video on how you can create the perfect G Sheet to track all your leads, all the reporting, and how you can do the targeting, and also legends, things like that. So go ahead and watch that video if you haven't created, or if you don't have a template for your Google Sheet. Okay, so GHL account, this is something that you don't need in the beginning, but if you have a Go High Level account subscription, make sure that you are going to create that account. It will give you more professional, it will make you seem more professional. Okay, and you will have and this is something that you can offer to your clients as well, as let's say service, so that they can they can track their leads and they can manage their leads and whatnot. Zapier is going to be a platform where you can automate the entire thing. You can connect your Zapier, you can connect your Google Sheet to Facebook leads and whatnot. So this is a very helpful tool. If you don't know how to use Zapier, I think there are a lot of videos you can go ahead and watch and start using Zapier. Communication with the client is the same thing. Once again, the ads are live. So this is basically an example of SOP. I'm not going to show you the entire thing. I mean, you can go ahead and watch this, pause the video and see what's in there. But the main point of this SOP is that your team knows exactly what they have to do. What's the next step after this? So everything is detailed and laid out here. Step 3 is day-to-day account manager task. Checking and deleting comments daily. So this is for Facebook ads, updating the daily report, checking ad performance, doing market research for better and attractive ads, so that you can get a really nice ad or creatives in future, testing new images, monitoring the CPL, checking with the client on a regular basis, and replying to the client within 5 to 10 minutes max and in the working hours. So these are the things that I have included in the SOP, and I have lots and lots of SOPs like these. For onboarding, I think we already covered the onboarding, but I think I have SOPs which cover detailed onboarding, which cover detailed account managing, everything like that, so that my team exactly knows what they have to do. They don't have to ask me every single time hey Ashish, what do I need to do after this and after this, right? So they are exactly aware of all the tasks they have to do. So now we'll come to the next point, which is going to be meeting with your team, right? So even though you have to automate your entire process, even though you have to ultimately you have to automate the entire process, you have to make sure that your team is doing most of the work, right? You still have to meet with your team, you still have to get the updates, you still have to assign things, or you still have to check on things, right? You cannot just leave everything to the team. They might be doing a really good job, but still you need to have an idea of what's going on. You need to have an idea on how your clients are doing. You need to have an idea on how your team is doing. So I would suggest have a regular daily check-in call with your team. If it's your sales team, it's your delivery team, whatever team you have, make sure that you are at least checking out with them once a day, once or twice a day. I do once every day at 8 p.m. IST timing, my time. So make sure that you are doing something like that as well. A meeting with the team is going to be really paramount. It's going to be very essential for your business, for your marketing agency, because you can get the updates. You can also lay out any instructions that you have, or you can also you can also get updates on your clients, and you can also build strategies if you needed to. Okay, me and Bhavesh, we were doing most of the work. Bhavesh was managing or dealing with the clients, bringing new clients, outreaching and everything. And I was the one who was working with Facebook ads, who was working with Go High Level, Zapier. So I was doing everything, right? So once I started hiring the team, I started training them on what I was doing. So I bought one media buyer first, and then I started teaching him, okay, so this is what I do, and this is what you have to do, right? So in the beginning, he was not completely involved. He was just following my instructions, and he was just like, he was just my extension. Like he was just working what I was telling him to do, right? So, but over the time, my team started growing bigger, and now I have a manager who takes care of the team, and the manager is connected to me, so I get updates every single day, like this is what's going on and this is what's going on. But still I do take meetings with them every single day, with my team every single day, and they are really acquainted to all the process and everything that we are doing, because they've been working with us for over 2 years. And we don't have a lot of members in our team, probably 4 or 5, but they are really well acquainted to our process. They exactly know what to do, and they have been so much involved with our entire process that they know exactly what our clients need and what I need, what we as a business need. So that's why hiring a team, a better team, and training them is going to be really essential if you want to automate everything. So now most of the things, most of the media buying tasks, most of the Go High Level tasks is done by my team. All I have to do is just check in what's going or how is it going with them. Okay, so and the next important thing is going to be how you can outreach, how you can automate your outreach, because automating your outreach is going to be if not the most important thing, really important, because you need clients to fuel your business, to fuel your revenue, right? And you cannot do all the outreach and prospecting by yourself. So you need a sales team. You need a team which can do what you are doing, right? So imagine this. What you are currently doing, you are outreaching, you are prospecting, and you are reaching out to hundreds of people every single day. Imagine if you have 10 people like that, right? You don't have to get a team on salary. You can hire a sales team on commission basis. That's what we do. We hire people on commission basis. If they are really good, then we start paying them a salary, a base salary, and commission. So commission really motivates every single person. I have one guy in my sales team, and he is making more than 50,000 rupees every single month, just like by outreaching, prospecting, and bringing new opportunities for us, right? And he is really good. So that's what it takes. Hire people on commission basis and see how they are. If they are really good, give them a full-time opportunity in your company, in your marketing agency, and then you can start giving them a commission. In the beginning, we lost money when when we were paying our guys, our team, their salaries. But what it did, it freed our time. So it allowed us to explore more. It allowed us to do more experiments. It allowed us to do or build better strategies, and that really paid off in the long run. And now we are hitting, so $30,000 to $40,000 is like our bare minimum that we are hitting every single month. And some months we are doing $50,000, $55,000 or $60,000 with just these simple strategies or simple processes that we have in place, right? Hope this video helps, and hope you can also automate your agency as we did. And if you have any other question, you can always drop a comment. You can always reach out to me personally. You already know me on Facebook, Instagram, wherever you want. And see you in the next video.